In a quiet little village, there stood an old stone well. It was the heart of the community, where everyone gathered each morning. People said this well never ran dry, no matter how hot the summer got. The villagers saw it as a true blessing and always treated it with deep respect. Every day, to friends, Arun and Dev would visit the well together. Arun was the kind of person who always had a good word to say about others. Dev, however, had a habit of backbiting. Whenever someone wasn't around, Dev would whisper their faults into the air, exaggerating their mistakes and questioning their good intentions. Arun often tried to stop him. He'd say, "Dev, be careful. Those careless words can cause real harm." But Dev would just laugh it off, thinking it was harmless gossip. One morning, the villagers woke up to a terrible sight. The well's water, usually so clear and pure, was now muddy and smelled foul. Everyone was deeply disturbed. They went to the village elder for guidance. The elder looked at the murky water and announced that the well would stay this way until the person responsible for polluting it came forward and took responsibility. That night, Dev had a deeply unsettling dream. In his dream, he saw himself standing by the well, but instead of drawing water, he was pouring dark, black ink into it. With every single drop he poured, he heard his own whispers echoing back at him every unkind word, every piece of gossip he had ever spoken about his friends and neighbors. He watched as the water turned completely black, and he saw the villagers walking away. Thirsty and disappointed, Dev woke up with his heart pounding. He suddenly understood. His backbiting, his secret whispers were just like poisoning a shared well. Even though he spoke them in private, his words spread and caused harm to everyone, including himself. He realized that his negativity was polluting the very spirit of the village. The next morning, with a heavy heart, he stood before all the villagers. He confessed everything. He admitted that his habit of backbiting had poisoned their community. He turned to those he had spoken against and sincerely apologized, promising to change his ways for good. Slowly but surely, a change began. The well's water started to clear, returning to its pure state day by day. As the water cleared, so did the atmosphere in the village. Trust was rebuilt, and Dev, he was no longer known for his whispers, but for his newfound restraint and his honesty. The story teaches us a powerful lesson. Backbiting might be spoken in secret, but its damage is always public. The words we use to hurt others eventually end up harming ourselves the most. Thank you for watching.